welcome back again. Today we are going to learn something new. What is that? We are talking about matter. If I talk about matter, there are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. So solid occupies space and has mass, that's why it is a matter. Liquid also same thing. What about gas or maybe air? Air is a gas, okay. And air is a matter or not? That is a big question, okay. If air need to be a matter, then it should occupy some space and it should have some mass, okay. So today we are going to do some activity so that we can prove that whether air is a matter or not, okay. So let's come to the activity. For that we need very simple things. You can try it at your home, okay. Very simple things, used materials you need, and try it at home, okay. What you need a stick like this, okay, two balloons like this, and some thread, okay, and thread like this, okay. So that's it, nothing else is required, okay. So what you have to do? So first of all, you need to make a setup like this. So I am doing it, you just see. So what I have done now, I have tied these two balloons at the two end of this stick, okay, and then I have suspended this stick so that these two balloons are equally suspended, okay. These two are equal now, you can see this is also not bending, this is also not bending, so these two are equal, okay. Now I will take out the air of any one of the balloon. So to take out the air of one balloon, okay, I need a needle, okay. I am using this safety pin, okay, you can use any other thing. So now I will take out the air and then see if I take out the air, then what will happen. Don't push the needle so that it will burst, okay. If it is bursting, okay, then the balloon part will go away and you will not get the desired result, okay. So what you do, just make a small hole and then take out the air. So how you will do it, let me show you, okay. See how am I doing it. Just take this needle, okay, from this balloon make a hole here, small hole at the point where you are tying, okay. Make a hole and take out, slowly take out the slowly take out the air. See, the balloon is increasing, air is coming out from the balloon. And now see which portion of the balloon is moving down, okay. You can see that portion is little bit down, okay. You can just see that balloon has gone little bit down, okay. Why? Because here the air is not present and in that balloon the air is present. So air has some weight, that's why that air is pulling this rod this side downward. So that is the reason, okay. it is going down a little bit. Okay, because air does not have so much weight that you will see. Okay, you just try it at your home, you will definitely find a little difference that it is going down. So in this case we have found out that how air is having some weight, or we can say it has some mass. Okay, that's why it is going down. If I talk about air is occupying space, then take this balloon, okay, and see air is inside this balloon. At first the balloon was like this, after that I blow air into it, okay, and then it has inflated like this. Okay, that means air is occupying this space, that's why the balloon is inflated. Okay, understood this thing. So that means air is also occupying space. In the last experiment, what you find? Air has mass, and here air occupying space. That means air has a mass and it also occupies space. That shows that it is a matter. Understood? So try it at your home, have fun and enjoy.